Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Crunchyroll error code P-KAT-6005 and how you can fix this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to Crunchyroll and just press your menu button so it will open your menu. After this, click on Manage App and then click on Uninstall All and then click on Uninstall All again. Once you do this, click on See in Microsoft Store and then click on Install. Once it completes, check if your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.